Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So today we are going to do this present indefinite tense, but before moving, we would discuss the things that are required in all the tenses. Number 1, we have an action, and number 2, we need to have how much that time period is required to complete that action. In Urdu, you may say that हमें सबसे पहले काम की यानी कि एक्शन की ज़रूरत है और उसके अलावा हम वो काम कितने टाइम पीरियड में करते हैं उस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है. नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स दिस प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट. प्रेजेंट मीन्स मौजूदा. इंडेफिनिट मीन्स द टिपिकल मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड वुड बी अनक्लियर, विच मीन्स ऐसा काम जो हम करते तो हर रोज़ हैं लेकिन उसके करने का दुरानिया यानी कि टाइम पीरियड वाजिया नहीं होता. As if I have written over there universal truth and routine. If we discuss universal truth, for example, बारिश बरसती है, लेकिन अगर हम इसके दुरानिये की बात करें कि ये कब, कैसे और कितनी देर तक बरसती है, ये हम वाजिया नहीं कर सकते. और अगर हम रूटीन की बात करें तो मैं सुबह सवेरे उठती हूँ, इसमें उठने का एग्जैक्ट वक्त नहीं मुतय्यन होता. So sometimes it gets confusing for the students because we have a lot of other tenses. So sometimes it becomes difficult to identify the ideology of each of the tenses. But if we talk about indefinite, if you remember one word, routine, then this indefinite would be clear to you. What is our routine? For example, मैं सुबह सवेरे उठती हूँ, मैं नमाज पढ़ती हूँ, मैं नाश्ता करती हूँ, मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ, मैं पढ़ती हूँ, मैं घर आती हूँ, मैं खाना खाती हूँ. सो इन ऑल दीज सेंटेंसेस वी हैव ती हूँ एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. सो द आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ दिस टेंस वुड बी इन फिक्रात के आखिर में ता है, ती है, ते हैं वगैरह आता है. नाउ द recognition would be easy. If we remember only one word, which is routine, then it would be much easier for you to identify that this tense ends at ta hai, ti hai, te hain, vagera. Now in Urdu, we would easily identify this tense, but the question is how to translate it into English. So for this, we have methodology. First of all, we have subject, then first form of the verb, or you may say that the base verb, and then object. That's the methodology of affirmative, or you may say that assertive sentences. But with the singular, we add s and es. For example, we add s and es with he, she, it, and name of any singular person, place, or thing. But we would not be adding any s or es with I, we, you, they, and plural. For example, if we say बच्चे खेलते हैं, children play, and if we say बच्चा खेलता है, then that would be child plays. Let's discuss about the negative methodology. Negative means where we show negation. Subject, we have helping verb, that is do and does. We'll be adding not to show negation, first form of the verb, and then object. Now this time we are not going to add anything with verb because we have added es with the does. So we'll be using does with this singular, he, she, it, and singular. Where we added s and es, we'll be adding does. And where we did not add anything, we'll be using do. So if we say बच्चे नहीं खेलते, children do not play, बच्चा नहीं खेलता, child does not play. Now we have interrogative, that is a question form. Here do and does would come at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, first form of the verb, then object, and then we have a question form. Question mark. For example, क्या बच्चे खेलते हैं? Do children play? क्या बच्चा खेलता है? Do the child play? Let's have a quick review. We discuss in present indefinite universal truth and routine and the ideology of this tenses. In फिकरात के आखिर में ता है, ती है, ते हैं वगैरह आता है. And the methodology is subject, first form of the verb and then object, and we add s and es with the singulars. For example, with he, she, it will be adding s and es, and in negative and interrogative we'll be using does with this singular, and we will be using do with the plurals and I, we, you. We have this exercise on page number 74. गीदड़ शाम को चीखते हैं, as if गीदड़ are plural, so we'll be using base form of the verb. Jackals howl in the evening. Number 2 we have मैं अपने भाई से प्यार करता हूँ, I love my brother. Number 3 हम रोज अखबार पढ़ते हैं, we read newspaper daily. Number 4 असलम ईद पर नए जूते खरीदता है, असलम इज सिंगुलर. असलम buys new shoe on ईद. गरीब आदमी मुश्किल से गुजर बसर करता है, पुअर मैन लिव्स फ्रॉम हैंड टू माउथ. नंबर 6 अमीर आदमी गरीबों को हकारत की निगाह से देखता है, रिच मैन लुक्स डाउन अपॉन द पुअर. नंबर 7 मुर्गियां सारा साल अंडे देती हैं, हैंस ले एग होल ईयर. आप 10वीं जमात को अंग्रेजी पढ़ाते हैं, यू टीच इंग्लिश टू क्लास 10. मैं तैरना जानता हूँ, आई नो हाउ टू स्विम. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाफ एक्सरसाइज आई हैव डन and half exercise you are going to do on your notebooks. Now we have this exercise of negative on page number 76. Number 1 we have वो गुनाह पर नहीं पछताता है, he does not repent on sin. आप अपनी गलती को तस्लीम नहीं करते हैं, you do not admit your fault. Number 3 we have गैर दिलचस्प किताबें हाथों हाथ नहीं बिकती हैं, uninteresting books do not sell like hot cakes. सितारे दिन में नहीं चमकते हैं, the stars do not shine during the daytime. वो मेरी बात नहीं सुनता है, he does not listen to me. मैं इस अजनबी को नहीं पहचानता हूँ, I do not recognize this stranger. हम आपको नहीं जानते हैं, we do not know you. सब लड़के शरारत नहीं करते हैं, all the boys do not make mischief. Rest half is going to be your homework. Next exercise on the same page 76 we have of interrogative sentences. Number 1 we have बच्चे आंख मचोली कहाँ खेलते हैं. Now the helping verb would come at the beginning of the sentence. Where do the children play hide and seek? डाकिया इस गली में कब आता है, when does the postman come in this street. Number 3 we have तुम इसके यहाँ क्याम पर क्यों एतराज करते हो, why do you object to his staying here. क्या बादल जोर से गरजता है, does the cloud thunder loudly. क्या गर्मियों में ओले पड़ते हैं, does it hail in summer. नंबर 6 वो अपनी आमदन से ज़्यादा क्यों खर्च करता है, Why does he spend more than his income. क्या वो अपने किए पर शर्म महसूस करता है, Does he feel ashamed of his doing. क्या बशीर रात गए तक आवारा गर्दी करता है, Does Bashir wander till late at night. Rest half exercise is going to be your homework. As if we have done the active voice of present indefinite, now we are going to move towards the passive voice. In active voice, we require subject and verb, but if we want to change the sentence into passive voice, object is mandatory to have. Let's look at the methodology of active voice. First of all, we have subject, then first form of the verb, then object. This is what we are going to change into passive voice. Like this object would go in the place of subject and that would make a new subject. Then helping verb is, am, are will be using with third form. No matter what passive voice we are doing, will we will always be using third form of the verb, then by, and this subject would go in the place of object. Like this, object is IMR, third form of the verb, by and subject. So as we have negative, subject, do, does, not, first form of the verb, and then object. That's the methodology of active voice. We are going to change it into passive voice, like this object would go in the place of subject. Then we'll be using is, am, are in the place of do, does. Then not, third form of the verb, by, and then this subject would go in the place of object. That's how we'll be writing the methodology of passive voice in negative. Now in interrogative, we used do, does in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, first form of the verb, then object. Now we'll be using is, am, are in the place of do, does in passive voice. Then this object would come in the place of subject, then third form of the verb, and then this subject would go in the place of object, and then a question mark. Like this, we'll be writing it. For example, we have this sentence, I wear new clothes. So I is a subject, this is a verb, and then we have an object. So according to the methodology, this object would go in the place of subject. Now we have formed our new subject, new clothes. So now we'll be putting helping verb according to this subject, as if clothes is plural. So I have used the helping verb are. New clothes are, as if I've told you that in every passive voice we'll always be using third form. So the third form is wear is worn, wear, wore, worn, and then by. Now this I would go in the place of object, but in objective case. Objective case of I would be me. Here I have made a table. We have subjective case, objective, and then possessive. We are not going to use this. We'll be using subjective as well as objective only. I would be changed into me, he would be changed into him, she would be changed into her, we would be changed into us, you would be changed into you, and they would be changed into them, and it would remain it. So if you look at your book on page number 88, they have given us the exercise. Number 1 we have, यहाँ रेडियो के लाइसेंस बनाए जाते हैं. As if it's a plural sentence, so the translation of this sentence would be license of radio are made here. Number 2 we have, वहाँ बाईसाइकिल किराए पर दिए जाते हैं. Again plural. Bicycles are hired there. शाहजमाल रोड पर जुमा बाजार लगाया जाता है. जुमा बाजार is held on Shahjamal Road, or you may change जुमा बाजार into Friday market. Number 4, चबुर्जी सड़क आसानी से पार की जा सकती है. चबुर्जी रोड is easily crossed. Number 5, इस दफ्तर से सड़कों की तामीर का ठेका दिया जाता है. Contract of the construction of the roads is given in this office. Number 6, तार घर से तार भेजे जाते हैं. Telegrams are sent from telegraph office. Rest of the half exercise is going to be your homework. We have this exercise on page number 89 of interrogative sentences of present indefinite passive voice. Number 1 we have, बुरी सोहबत कैसे इख्तियार की जाती है. As if in the methodology we have discussed that is, am, are would come at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, third form of the verb, and then object. We are going to translate this sentence according to that methodology, and the translation of this sentence would be, how is the bad company adopted? क्या जुमा बाजार में सस्ती चीजें बेची जाती हैं? Are things sold cheap in जुमा बाजार? बाग से सेब नहीं चुराए जाते हैं. Apples are not stolen from the orchard. अदालत में झूठ नहीं बोला जाता है। A lie is not told in the court. मोटर गाड़ियाँ कहाँ नीलाम की जाती हैं? Where are the motor vehicles auctioned? नीलाम means auction. क्या रेलवे स्टेशन पर सामान तोला जाता है? Is luggage weighed at railway station? इस रजिस्टर में दस्तखत नहीं किए जाते हैं। Signatures are not signed in this register. ऐसे बुरे आदमी को माफ नहीं किया जाता है। Such a bad man is not forgiven. मकान में सफेदी कब की जाती है? When is the house whitewashed? क्या रुपया बैंक में जमा किया जाता है? Is money deposited in the bank? इनाम किसको दिया जाता है? Who is awarded the prize? Rest half exercise is going to be your homework.